Hello everyone, I'm back. This time I put a makeup on so I could see you guys and you guys could see my face. Right now we're still working on our Simplicity D 0629, and I went and picked up some notions for the project, and I needed some lightweight fusible interfacing. So yeah, it's gonna be backwards to you guys, but it's this Pelon brand. It's lightweight. I think it was $3. And I needed some 1-inch elastic, and I bought the non-roll elastic. Okay. Also, Joann Fabric right now has a sale on their Fisker brand scissors, so I bought me another rotary cutter. That was 40% off, so that was good. Then it had the little clippers with it. I also picked up some more pens and some chalk, and yeah. Well, let's get back to the pattern. So if you want to know how to find out what notions you need for your project, you will look at the back of your pattern. And I'll have a picture of this. And you'll have, like in the notion section, elastic and interfacing, what type of intervention you would need. And it listed lightweight. And also, you know, if you decide to make this in a heavier weight fabric, you could go with a heavier interfacing. You really have to base it on your material, so just kind of judge that with that. And yeah, and so also we were talking about how to place the pattern on the material. This material this material is kind of complicated. That's why I wanted a real simple pattern for it, because it does have strategic flowers on it. So I figured out the best way to do it was to take, since this has to lay on the fold, the front and the back lay on the fold, I put it up against there, and I decided that the way to have it laid out on the cutout layout guide is a good way to go. But I need to make sure the pink part sits in the middle of my back, going up the back and up the front. And so I just folded it over that way. Now I'm going to change this around and fold it so the right side's facing right sides. But right now, just to show you guys, I left it the other way. So yeah, so on the sides the white flowers will be, in the middle will be pink. Now that I have a plan for my pattern layout, I'm going to get busy cutting everything out, including my interfacing. And then I'll be back with you guys with the rest of this tutorial on this dress. Also, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos, because I really appreciate it. Also, I want to know what you might want me to make a video about. I want to ask you to subscribe to my videos. If you haven't, there will be a button below. Also, I have other videos and some other custom pattern pieces. I have one for shorts that even go up to plus sizes. I made it for night wear, but you can make it from any kind of boxer short you might want to wear, daytime or nighttime. Also, I have a tank top pattern that's free to download also. So thank you, and definitely check out my other videos, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.